Okay, so cycle of fourth on the key of F, we have okay, breakdown. Left hand side we have D, F sharp, A flat, and C sharp. Then right hand side we have over the tree. Right hand side, this is A flat and C sharp. Then the slow is from A flat, A to the B flat. This melody line, this is A flat and B, and this is F sharp and B flat. So over the 6, rootless is E flat. Left hand side, this is C sharp, F, F sharp, and B flat. Then right hand side we have slow again, this is E flat and A flat. So we are slowing from E flat to E and F. Then the next chord, left hand side, this is C sharp and G. Then right hand side we have B major triad, B E flat and G flat. So left hand side we have C and G flat. Right hand side we have B flat, D, and F. So over the 5, left hand side I have B, E flat, E, and A flat. Then right hand side, this is C sharp and F sharp. So we are slowing from C sharp, D to E flat. So over the 1 chord, rootless is your F sharp obviously. Then so this walk up chord, this is F chord, which is C, F, and A. So that's slow, this is C sharp, and the slow is coming from A flat, A to B flat. So this down, flipping it from the A is going to A flat, then G flat. 4. So over the 4, left hand side, this is B, F sharp. Then with your thumb, you're playing C sharp and E flat together. But if you can't stretch, I mean, that's perfectly okay. You can just bring your hand and play your power chord. So right hand side, this is B flat and F sharp. Then we are slowing from C sharp to the D to the E flat. So that's the arpeggio I love playing on the F. It sounds melodious and sweet. So left hand side is just C sharp. Right hand is playing E flat, A flat, and B flat. So the same thing, left hand C sharp, right hand E flat, A flat, B flat.